Absolutely not. A lot of offices you'll go in and you'll get just the adjustment. A lot of times that's great. But here, we like to integrate soft tissue work. We like to integrate decompression, shockwave therapy, adjusting, of course. But then also, very importantly, we like to integrate therapeutic exercises to help strengthen the tissues around that joint that we mobilized and to help create stability. To answer the question, no, we do a lot more than just adjust here. We like to take an all-encompassing, comprehensive approach and use all the tools that we can to restore motion and to create stability and lasting results.